Welcome to English Language Academy. From failure to fortune, the story of Alex Harper. The dream begins. Alex Harper was an ambitious young person living in a small town. From a young age, Alex loved solving problems and dreamed of becoming a successful entrepreneur. After graduating from university, Alex decided to launch a startup focused on sustainable technology. The idea was to create eco-friendly, reusable batteries that would reduce waste and help save the planet. Alex believed the product was perfect. Investors were pitched and a small factory was set up with a few employees. Everything seemed like it was going according to plan. The fall. However, reality soon hit hard. The reusable batteries didn't work as expected. Customers complained about poor performance, and many returned the product. Negative reviews spread online, damaging the company's reputation. To make matters worse, production costs were higher than expected, and the company was running out of money. Investors pulled out, and within a year, Alex was forced to shut the business down. It was a devastating failure. Alex felt hopeless. All the savings were gone, and debts were piling up. Friends and family tried to console Alex, but the sting of failure lingered. The turning point. One evening, while packing up the failed company's office, Alex noticed something interesting. Many customers had sent handwritten letters with their returns. These letters weren't just complaints, they also included ideas for improvement. One letter stood out. It read, "I love the idea of eco-friendly batteries, but what if you focused on rechargeable batteries for toys? Parents like me are always buying batteries for our kids' gadgets. Something reusable would save money and the planet." That letter sparked an idea. Instead of creating a one-size-fits-all product, Alex realized the importance of solving specific problems for specific people. The failure wasn't because of the dream, but because the execution didn't match the market's needs. The rise. With the last bit of savings, Alex started small. This time, the focus was on creating rechargeable batteries for children's toys. Alex worked closely with parents to understand their needs. Prototypes were tested extensively, and feedback was used to improve the design. The new batteries were a hit. Parents loved them because they lasted longer, recharged quickly, and saved money. Alex launched the product under a new brand name, EcoSpark. Instead of aiming big right away, Alex sold the batteries locally and used social media to spread the word. The business grew slowly but steadily. Over time, large retailers noticed EcoSpark and started placing orders. Building the empire. As the company expanded, Alex reinvested profits into research and development. EcoSpark soon introduced other eco-friendly products, like solar-powered chargers and energy-efficient LED lights. The lessons learned from the first failure became the foundation for success. Listen to your customers. Every product was designed with user feedback. Start small and grow big. Instead of rushing, Alex focused on building a solid foundation. Adapt and innovate. Alex stayed open to new ideas and changed strategies when needed. Within 10 years, EcoSpark became a billion-dollar company, known worldwide for its innovative and sustainable energy solutions. The lesson Alex's story became an inspiration for others. In interviews, Alex often said, "Failure isn't the end. It's just a step on the path to success. What matters is how you learn from it and keep going." Today, EcoSpark continues to grow, making the world a greener place, one product at a time. This story shows that failure can lead to success if you are willing to learn, adapt, and keep pursuing your dreams. The end. Thanks for watching English Language Academy. Subscribe now.